Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news.
Emotional people. Bibia mo the emotions bebem and esanka weko and a we uncle and a papa we nesanko yen say what is too late too little? Eh? What is too late too little? Eh? Even after elections was done, when John Mahama has lost election, he appointed Domelevo as Auditor General. When he has lost election, on Bemubio, election no, we lose Okofie, John Dramani Mahama, because of the provision of the constitution, he was able to appoint Domelevo. Because of the constitution, John Dramani Mahama, after losing election, was able to appoint new ministers, appoint new judges to Supreme Court and also to the High Court. Because that is what the constitution says. Until the 7th January in the next year, when the new presidents take over, everything is left to you. Mahama was able to sign more than 50% of our bauxite deposit to his brother's company when he has lost an election. Would you ever see NDC people chastising Mahama? And Mahama, at the end you lose where we and then change and you lose. You guys are just pampered idiots. I'm sorry. That is what is wrong with NPP. Pampered fools. Ya pampamo. Sa alantremanti adreno. Chief. Me chief. Me papa wiska, me mami wiska. Same class, same no, and the NPP for ni baby trim. And that is why our party, despite all the works we have done, we can't sell them because who could jinawa, who beton where jumano, who can't quasi some the foul party, because they are open way. Now, what can't quasi some never actually, I think I catch them so by beton who party the amame. What can't quasi some after one cassa party where you know, I think I will catch them and say, oh, come and vote for NPP. What kind of stupidity is that? John Mahama can cut somebody's head today, sure. The whole NDC will come and defend John Mahama. Opa mabaomia enkomo obi eduro no nipa no honto oh na constituency for ni die or this kana kwata eduro na constituency for ni die na grassroots for ni die na ye na glass fruit na food soldiers na food soldiers ni die or this kana kwata eduro Jimmy who kind of flights na fellows to but no it is a disgrace. It is not NPP. Some of what you, the NPP people, are doing, it is not NPP like. What kind of stupidity is this? Eh? Say, we are just in February. Just February. Shuffle. Too late. It's now okay. Come say, now say, Shuffle na mo kana na mo se dia ne yanyama shuffle ne ba so I say too late into na kama na nya na. What kind of nonsense is this? MPP for mu lose election na mo party members now man fan sheli de bia mutie man fan sheli de bia because leader no dey the paba kura nam say min didi bi ekufu ade na bi si ankra na edidi me die min didi ye bagumianom na edidi bagumia na edidi. You can't defend your own party's record. You are quick to put a dagger into the heart of your party. And you fucking tell me that is criticism. You are what? You are doing critique. That's stupid criticism. Especially when it's not based on fact. That is stupidity. I'm sorry, but that is the fact. When what you are saying does not match with the data, it is stupidity. Omo to Abama will say MP. Na sanka wo kọ ukuro mu kọ ye adwuma na ukuro mu efo hu se we ya wo do ani ato finance minister so say beba election a obeti scam am na mo de atoto sa am nkwase mo ne angwa no akocha am nkurasefo no so mo nkoto aba am ebu abomo mo di mu payment na na be ye ayi no eno na mo de be campaign no ya ma mo foko. Akufo-Addo is not a timid guy to be bullied around. You know when Ken wanted to leave this job? Do you know when Ken Ofori-Atta wanted to leave this Ghana job? He didn't even want to be part of the second half of your government, if you don't know. 2020, he didn't want to be part of this stupid thing we were doing. After all Ken did from 2017 to 2020, showing NPP said, we have the men. Papa no ho kochire ne kakra mo se yemfa no ntuja so enwro no ho. Papa no ho chire ne kakra yemfa no ntuja so yem forget 2017. And so some of you before fun me bia na support san kwasi asem no na mo mo de Ken Ofori-Atta figures e de ko defend mo ho e wo mo constituencies. Now, what they can do for real economic figures at the year campaign 2022 as someone to Yanaki in Naya Betty Asie. Now, more na mo CSA, Womukuta, General, here be free woman in that woman good time back. And I'm start here. Wimra, now winko, Wimra, now winko, Wimra, now winko. And he spending total 3 years defending bullshit that NDC threw to us. Defending stupidity that NDC threw to us because Shaboteman, yankan one sem until now. On some year for NPP before. Boteman, Chirami Abaya, Waba, went to me, Boteman. Mahama Ba is walk away Bukom Arena. Some Bukom Arena be away. Omoyeno. Boteman, on who ye. Chirama Abaya, when invested that much into the sports since independent. Chirambako. NPP for no, Montrami Abaya, Waba, when invested that much into sports. Show me one. Since independent, and I'm not saying for since independent, I buy Ben West 10 stadiums. Mumo mame, why in Kroma, a champon, Rollins, why Kufo, and now when they see 4 stadiums, when they see 10, I'm sorry, 10 stadiums. Some 4 stadiums near in your composo, a boar, any other friend net here, eh? A born ye wusu one ye different net ye, any be see ye, and yes, can ye de ye. Crase for a monty economics as now moody emotions ne casa. Moody emotions ne casa, MPP for be in crass for to the point say, Yentia diana say, is your bedina what can passiasem. Those 10 stadiums now ye see, you know, most say a coup for the minimum and I know this year now. And your finance minister been acquire Jumama Yenya Husika, acquire who loan contract many BBA, Ministry of Sports, to me be to me those things, you know. Or the Ministry of Sport just went into his pocket, brought money, and started building stadiums. And your finance minister, you want to know. Make sure money is there for the country to run. He has done that. Even when he fell low, even in 2022, when all odds was against him, he was still paying you stupid workers. People don't get me started this morning with this nonsense about it's too late, it's too late, it's too late. It's too late to three. So now, some of you, I wonder the day you will take positions. Those talkatives, no, kamunkwaji positions near Chamosomonsano. My dear, you matching in the political party in the history of Ghana. And so you're Kotuaba, no mama, one more year, Jumano, had the propaganda, Sissimo, because of our bitterness. Bitterness, Nankwa Siasem will go, young people for any bitrimuntino, young to me pon a yaton yajuma.